to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way, and I keep on searching for my home. I know is a need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be. I don't know where I belong, but I keep on searching for my home. There's a hunger in my soul, makes me keep on trying, holding on. Take me all the way, all the way. Take me all the way.
All right, you guys, so this is what my office is looking like right now. This is the door that you walk into, and then this is what you see. That's the closet, obviously. So if you've been watching my other videos, this looks kind of different. I just felt like it was cluttered in here. There was a lot of baby stuff in here, and y'all, I ain't got no kids, so I was like, there's no reason for my office to look like I got kids. So I got all that put up. The pack and play is out of here as well. And this is what this is looking like right now. It is still going to change. I felt like at first it was looking like I threw it together and it was looking a bit childish. And I mean, it's not the best. I'm still working on it. In the previous video, this was over here, that was over there, and the printer was on top of it. I had a collage of my wedding on this wall. I ended up doing something with that, a gallery wall in the living room. So just stay tuned for that. This isn't perfect. I don't love it. This I love, but I just like the neutral colors. And I guess the pink is like a pop of color. It's all right for right now, but I'm eventually going to change it. I have my dining chair in here right now, temporary until I find a better desk chair. So this is what it's looking like right now. I honestly may get rid of these two monitors and give them back to my job because I really don't use them. We have laptops too, so. But this is what it's looking like right now, you guys. I just want to give you guys an update. This is how the desk turned out. It looks really, really good. I really, really love it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. And just stay tuned on what the office is going to end up looking like. But I do like the changes so far. I like how it looks more office-y in here. I think I still want to get like a couch or something here. But I don't want it cluttered at all. And I took those off of this wall and put them on this wall. I like that better than, I just didn't like that. I don't know about curtains or anything. We'll see. I'm going to change the light bulbs too. So it's the daylight bulb, so it's brighter in here. But this is what it's looking like, you guys. I love it so far. It's not perfect, it's not permanent. This is just what it's looking like right now. So yes, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video and watching my desk DIY. It turned out really, really good. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in the next video.